Take a ride in the 2020 Traverse. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, steering wheel controls, cruise control, cup holders, console, floor mats. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.